Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the third lesson of English, that is Little Girls Wiser Than Men. This lesson is written by Leo Tolstoy. Now, the title of this lesson denotes that sometimes even the little girls or small children can prove wiser than the elder people. Their words and actions can teach us many things. Now how, that we will see in this particular lesson. So the story starts like this. It was an early Easter. Now Easter is a Christian festival that is believed to be celebrated when Jesus Christ rising from the dead. So it is a Christian festival. Sledging was just over. Now what is sledging? Sledging is sort of a game you might have seen in snowy areas. There is a wooden cart, and sitting on the wooden cart they slope on that icy slope. On the hilly mountains they slope from the top to the bottom. That is sledging. Sledging was just over and the snow lay in the yards, and there was almost snowy area everywhere, and that snow was slowly melting. So even the water streams, somewhere water was also there. Now there were two girls, namely Malasha and Akolya. So Akolya was the elder one and Malasha was the younger one. Now both these girls, they happened to meet in a lane on a road. They met and they were neighbors. They lived on the same lane and they met there. And how was that street? In that street, dirty water was running from the farmyards. There was dirty water running and it formed a large puddle. Puddle means गड्ढा. So उस dirty water से भरा हुआ एक गड्ढा वहाँ पर था. Now Akolya and Malasha, they returned just from the church when they met, and both of them were wearing new dresses. Okay, because it was Easter, it was a festive season. So one was wearing a yellow dress, one was wearing a blue dress. Both of them had matching handkerchiefs, hairbands on their head. And when they met, what did they first do? What we girls, when we first meet, do? We show our fineries or our dresses, ornaments to each other. So similarly, both of them also showed their finery to each other. And then they start playing with each other. Now what happened? That little one, the Malasha, what she tried to do? She tried to get into that puddle. But then Akolya checked her. She said that what you should do, you don't step into that puddle, and if you want to step, you take out your shoes and stockings and then only step into that puddle. Akolya also said that if you step with your shoes and stockings on, your mother will scold you as your new dress will get ruined. So what did Malasha say? Malasha said that what we should do, both of us will take off our shoes and stockings and then we will go in this puddle. So both of them did the same thing, and then picking up their skirts, they began walking towards each other. One entered from one end and other one entered from another end, and they were about to reach towards each other. Now as Malasha was younger, so when Malasha stepped in, the water reached till her ankles. So she said to Akolya, "It's deep, Akolya. I am afraid. मुझे डर लग रहा है, ये बहुत गहरा है." Then what did Akolya replied? Akolya said, "Come on, don't be frightened, don't be afraid. It won't be any deeper. It would remain the same." So now when they got near, when they got close to one another, Akolya said, "Mind, Malasha, don't splash." Splash means what? Putting your feet such that water spreads everywhere. पैर को ऐसे रखना कि पानी चारों तरफ उछले, ऐसे चलना. So Akolya said, "Walk carefully, don't splash." Now Akolya just said this thing, and what did Malasha do? Malasha plumped her foot. Plumped her foot means पैर को ऐसे जोर से रखना कि पूरा पानी चारों तरफ उड़ जाए. Malasha plumped her foot and the water splashed right on Akolya's frock. And the water came on Akolya's frock, Akolya's dress, got spoiled. Her face, nose, everything was covered with dirty water. Her frock was full of stains and she got very angry. And what did she do? She ran after Malasha to strike her. उसको मारने के लिए उसके पीछे भागी. अब Malasha, she was small, she got frightened, and seeing that she was getting into trouble, Akolia went come and beat her. She got out of the puddle, and what did she do? She started running towards her home. Just then, when this was happening, Akolia's mother passed by. Akolia's mother passed by, and when she saw that her daughter's dress was fully splashed, she was dirty, she asked her, "You naughty dirty girl, what have you been doing? तुम क्या कर रही थी कि तुम पूरी ऐसे गंदी हो गई?" Then what did she say? Akolia replied that who did all this? Malasha did it on purpose. Malasha ने जानबूझ के ये किया. And at this, Akolia's mother got very angry, and what did she do? She caught Malasha and struck her on her back. उसने उसको back पर मारा. Now Malasha began to howl. Howl means to shout. So Malasha began to howl, and hearing all this, Malasha's mother also came out.